Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up Surfshark VPN on your ASUS router using OpenVPN, so you can protect your entire home network with one connection. If you want to try Surfshark for a great price, check the link in the description. First, log into your Surfshark account on your browser. Go to Manual Setup, select Router, then choose OpenVPN. Pick the server location you want, like the US, UK, or Japan, and download the OVPN configuration file for that location. Note down your Surfshark service username and password provided for manual setup. These are different from your regular Surfshark login and are required for router configuration. Next, log into your ASUS router's web interface by typing 192.168, 1.1 or router.asus.com in your browser, then enter your admin username and password. On the left sidebar, click on VPN, then go to the VPN Client tab and click Add Profile. Select the OpenVPN option. Give your VPN profile a clear name, like Surfshark US if you're using a US server, so you can easily identify it later. Enter your Surfshark service username and password in the respective fields. Then click Browse and upload the .ovpn file you downloaded earlier from your Surfshark account. Once it uploads, click Upload, then click OK to save the profile. Now, you will see your newly created profile listed under the VPN Client tab. Simply click Activate next to it to start your VPN connection. It may take a few seconds to establish the connection. Using OpenVPN on your ASUS router is a reliable way to encrypt and secure all devices connected to your Wi-Fi, including smart TVs, consoles, and devices that don't support VPN apps directly. If you want to try Surfshark for a great price, check the link in the description below. It helps support the channel while giving you access to strong encryption, clean web ad blocking, and the ability to unlock global content easily.